In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the HVCI enabled error here in Valorant on Windows 11. This will also work on Windows 10, but before we actually do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but if you try and launch Valorant and you see an error message saying something like a van restriction and then HVCI enabled, it usually means that your Windows security feature is conflicting with Riot's anti-cheat. So begin by clicking on the little start menu down here and open up your settings. If you don't see settings, just search for it and go to the privacy and security tab down towards the very bottom. Once you're in this section, go ahead and open up Windows security, and then you're going to see a bunch of different tabs on here. Select device security, and then find the core isolation tab and select core isolation details. Toggle the memory integrity mode off, just like so. As you can see, mine is currently turned off. After doing that, what you're going to want to do is close out of your settings and restart your PC by selecting the Windows icon again, selecting the power button, and then hitting restart. After restarting, try launching Valorant again. This setting is a part of just Windows 11 security features, and turning it off is a common compatibility fix for this error. However, if the issue is still happening, you'll want to make sure that your CPU virtualization is enabled, and to do this, you're going to have to enter your BIOS or your UEFI menu. To do this, go ahead and go back down to this Windows Start button, hit this, and then hit Restart. But while you're hitting Restart, like spam click either F2, Delete, Escape, or even Shift. It's different on every single platform, so it's worth trying all of them. But usually it is by F2 or Delete. And look for a setting in your BIOS for virtualization, SVM mode, and Intel VT-X/AMD-V. Make sure that these are all enabled. After doing that, go ahead and save your changes and restart, and this will help ensure compatibility with Riot Vanguard. Finally, restart that PC, open up Valorant again, and the HVCI error will be gone. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.